Red brick university is a term originally used to refer to 6 civic universities founded in the major industrial cities of England. The term is now used more broadly to refer to British universities founded in the late 19th and early 20th centuries in major cities. All of the 6 original red brick institutions, or their predecessor institutes, gained university status before World War I and were initially established as civic science or engineering colleges. Whilst the term was originally coined as these institutions were new and thus regarded by the ancient universities as arriviste, the description has since ceased to be derogatory with the 1960s proliferation of universities and the reclassification of polytechnics in 1992. The 6 institutions are members of the Russell Group. Origins of the term and use. The term red brick, or red brick, was first coined by Edgar Alison Pears, a professor of Spanish at the University of Liverpool, to describe the civic universities. His reference was inspired by the fact that the Victoria Building at the University of Liverpool is built from a distinctive red press brick, with terracotta decorative dressings. On this basis, the University of Liverpool is considered to be the original red brick institution, although the term later became a cipher for all the civic universities of the day. While the University of Liverpool is generally considered to be the original red brick university, the University of Birmingham was the first of the civic universities to gain independent university status in 1900, and the university has stated that the popularity of the term red brick owes to its own Chancellor's Court, constructed from Accrington red brick. The University of Birmingham grew from the Mason Science College, an elaborate red brick and terracotta building in central Birmingham which was demolished in 1962. The civic university movement. These universities were distinguished by being non-collegiate institutions that admitted men without reference to religion or background and concentrated on imparting to their students real-world skills, often linked to engineering. In this sense they owed their structural heritage to the Humboldt University of Berlin, which emphasized practical knowledge over the academic sort. This focus on the practical also distinguished the red brick universities from the ancient English universities of Oxford and Cambridge and from the newer University of Durham, collegiate institutions which concentrated on divinity, the liberal arts and imposed religious tests on staff and students. Scotland's ancient universities, usually grouped with Dundee, were founded on a different basis. The first wave of large civic red brick universities all gained official university status before the First World War. All of these institutions have origins dating back to older medical or engineering colleges and were located in the industrial centres of the late Victorian and Edwardian eras that required strong scientific and technical workforces. These universities developed out of various 19th-century private research and education institutes in industrial cities. The 1824 Manchester Mechanics' Institute formed the basis of the Manchester Institute of Science and Technology, and thus led towards the University of Manchester proper. The University of Birmingham has origins dating back to the 1825 Birmingham Medical School. The University of Leeds also owes its foundations to a medical school, the 1831 Leeds School of Medicine. The University of Bristol began with the 1876 University College, Bristol, the University of Liverpool with a University College in 1881, and the University of Sheffield with a University College in 1897. Other institutions. Many institutions share similar characteristics to the original 6 civic universities, namely those in the second wave of civic universities before the advent of the plate glass universities in 1961. These universities differed from the red bricks in that they evolved from local university colleges rather than civic institutes, and all previously awarded external Oxford University and University of London degrees before being granted full status after the First World War. These include the University of Reading, founded in the late 19th century as an extension college of Oxford University, which was the only university to receive its charter between the 2 world wars and describes itself as a red brick university. Queen's University Belfast, which became a civic university in 1908, also lays claim to the title, having previously been established in 1845 as a college of the Queen's University of Ireland. Many of the original constituent institutions of the University of Wales bear the red brick hallmarks: Aberystwyth, Bangor, Swansea, Cardiff, Certain constituent colleges of the University of London, such as Royal Holloway, Queen Mary and Goldsmiths College, are also literally Victorian red brick in style. Various other civic institutions with origins dating from the 19th and early 20th centuries have also been described as red brick: University of Dundee, Birkbeck, University of London, University of Exeter and University of Hull, University of Leicester, Newcastle University, University of Nottingham, and University of Southampton. In 1963, the Robbins Report recommended expansion of the British university system. The universities established after this report are often known as the plate glass universities. See also, sandstone universities, plate glass university, campus university, new universities. References